Hello lovely people. This is my second time filming this video, so this is good because I got all the other shit out of my system, so this will be nice and short. Yeah, I used the wrong microphone and it was so quiet it couldn't be heard, so let's not do that. Just want to pop in and wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you do on the 25th of December, I hope you enjoy it. My apologies for there not being videos and stuff. December has been a schmozzle. I'm not going to go into it. Let's just say it's just been a schmozzle. Let's just keep it at that. I have soap videos coming up. I don't know if I'll get them up before the start of the new year. I didn't put up any more of the Advent calendar colouring because I had no internet for 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks I just decided it wasn't worth it. If you want to see them, I have done 14. I stopped filming them because I assumed no one would want to watch them. If you want to watch them, let me know. I will upload them. But yes, there's a bunch of soap videos to come, and yeah, that's it. That's all I got. So let's actually keep this one really short. See, it's a Christmas miracle because I am a gift to humanity. So I keep telling everyone, because this is like the best headband in the whole world. Like how good is this? It's so good. I get so many comments on this one I wear it out of the house. It's like, because I think I'm pretty unapproachable most of the time, but when I have this on, everybody has to comment, so it's great. But yes, whatever you're doing on Christmas Day, whether it's celebrating or not, whether it's on your own, with friends, family, I hope you have a lovely day. I hope it's not a stinking hot where you are as where I am. And if it is, I hope you have an aircon that works, because I don't. I actually just messaged Keely and told her that mine is broken. We got it out the night before last and it's been sitting since January 2020. So yeah, you turn it on, it works for like 20 seconds and then it just has a fit. So I think it's stuffed. Which is, you know, it doesn't bode well because, you know, December's not the hottest month of the year for us. It's generally February. But anyway, it's all good. We'll manage. So we'll buy more fans. I might buy an aircon yet. It's just one of those portable ones. But yeah, served me well when I was in the shop, that's for sure. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got. I hope you have a lovely day. I hope you have good New Year's. I'm not a fan because I don't drink and I don't go out, so, and I also don't make resolutions because I think if you want to do something you should just do it. You don't need to make it a resolution. If you put off doing things and just say, you know, it's going to be my New Year's resolution from the 1st of January I'm going to lose weight, or I'm going to, you know, start this new project, you're just putting it off. Just do it. Just do it. That's my life coach advice for today. But yes, I am having lunch with my dad and Kurt and my sister and her girls, and it should be a lovely day because last year was really nice. Well, except for Curtis was in jail, but apart from that. So yeah, he's really excited because he loves Christmas, so he's very excited about being able to spend the day with all his, well, with the family that deems to spend time with us. So don't know if you can hear those kids. They're very loud kids, but they're having fun, so that's all that matters. Alright, so yes, have a lovely day, and I probably will see you in the new year. Alright, bye.